Hi guys, yeah, I have quite some things on my planning and I thought I will just show you a new day in my life. And currently I just came from the shower and I'm now doing my makeup, eating breakfast and listening to podcasts at the same time because yeah, I eat super slow, so I always do something else in the meantime. So this is the situation. I also got my coffee. I love a good morning coffee. I got my oatmeal. Yes, this is my makeup, and at the same time I am listening to a new podcast called The Mindset Mentor. Yeah, I just thought I just wanted to listen to a new one and I just found this one. And if you have any podcast recommendations, please let me know. Now I will get started, so see you soon. Okay, I got myself ready. I'm still busy with my breakfast, but in the meantime I am going to do some assignments because tonight we have group coaching and yeah, I need to be prepared for that, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, that was quite a short time lapse, but I realized to make the time lapse while filming video, so I didn't do the beginning, but I've done a part of this daily affirmations, and I actually always sit here. But yeah, I didn't want to put the sheets out and I thought it is maybe a cool background thing, so yeah, that's it. I will need to edit it very fast. Yeah, I will do that. Okay, seriously, I've edited it in 15 minutes and put it out online, my video, and now I got a video call. Okay, and now I do have a call with another Dutch YouTuber. Hi Simon, can you tell me more about yourself?
Yes, I'm a graphic designer and I use YouTube for, I hear myself 2 times now. That's weird.
Okay, yes.
So I use YouTube for my marketing and I make tutorials in Dutch. So if you're from another country, you can't understand me, I think. But yes, that's what I do. I make tutorials. I make videos about graphic design in Dutch. Maybe later in English.
Okay.
For now in Dutch.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's what I do.
Yes. Okay, now we will start the time lapse. Hi guys. Yeah, I just finished my recording with Timo and we made a video for his channel and also one video for mine. And I was also busy with the assignments and I was taking a deep dive because of my why and my purpose for my business. So that's why I've been taking more time for the assignments, and I'm also going to film videos for my website tomorrow. I delivered text to my web developer already, but I want multiple videos on my website, and it is really important that I know my why of my purpose and why I started this company, and it's quite hard to put that on paper. So yeah, I just did a very intense brainstorm today, and then I created the 2 videos with Timo, and I've also been doing some research about the market of online marketing and keeping up with the trends, because I really need to know very well what the trends are, and I want to make more Dutch video for that and put that on LinkedIn and my Dutch social media channel, which is focused on digital marketing. And I actually wanted to put out the video of Timo and me today on, but his file is still rendering, and I want to make a video with his screen and my screen, so it's more fun for you guys to see. Okay, so I thought of something because I'm going to make poke bowl, which is a rice dish with raw vegetables like cabbage and seaweed and cucumber, and I'm going to add some salmon and chicken, but the chicken already cooked and the salmon is raw, so I only need to cook the rice. I'm going to first cook the rice and set everything up, so then it is ready immediately. Okay, I got this bean still from the fridge, and I got this seaweed, and we have a little cucumber here and a longer cucumber here, coriander. This is the salmon and cabbage, and I still got chicken though. This is from yesterday, so we can still use that. Yeah, and that's basically it. Actually, I'm going to cut these. Now we have all the ingredients on the table, and we can mix it up with the rice. I just finished the group coaching and it was very insightful. So I'm like in group coaching and everyone is starting out their business or already has a business, and yeah, we just share what's been going on and we get these assignments, and I've told them what is going on, like I don't get sleep for one day and then I do get sleep the other day, and yeah, I know they told me like that ain't good and I should get my sleep, you know, and I think I also really need to do that and apply that to my life before it is too late. And of course health is super important, and yeah, I need to work on that. But yeah, there are of course so many things to do, but I think I have to do my time management a little bit better and get my sleep then, and yeah, I just need to do that. But yeah, it was a little bit confronting because I knew what they were going to say if I told them the truth, and yeah, I just want to make my steps, you know. And sorry for the disturbation of my room, like it's super awful. Like I already cleaned this place, but I'm still not satisfied with this and I need to work on it better. But yeah, I really need to work on that. and I don't know, like I think I'm really in a transformation phase, and because you guys all knew that I was the travel girl and going to places, and now it's a little bit different. And although it's mix and match quite well, digital marketing and social media, because that's what I always did for years, and also with the travel videos of course, but it's still a little bit different. And I think I have a little bit of a fallback of the reverse culture shock, because yeah, I was at places and then I changed places in 1 day or 2 days, and now I'm stuck home in quarantine in the Netherlands, and it's just different. And yeah, I've also got confronted with my past, and because you are coming back home and everything is normal, you know, and that is kind of a thing, but I just need to get used to the new me, the new business model, the new life, and it will all be fine. And I'm going to get my shower, and then I will get out of my makeup. I will still work a little bit, I think, and but yeah, I will slowly build it off and get to my normal sleep again. Yes. Okay, I tried to edit, but there were just so many thoughts of today, and I think it is just a lot, and I really need to sleep today. And yeah, actually just start today to sleep, and yeah, that is better. I think otherwise it is too overwhelming, and yeah, that I should get my sleep. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.